Hey guys, Johnny here. Today I will be showing you how to fix a frozen or unresponsive Apple Watch 8. So if your device is frozen or unresponsive, then a process called a force restart will go ahead and solve that problem. So let me show you how to do it. So on your Apple Watch 8, you will see that there is the power button and then the crown button. We will go ahead and hold on to both of these buttons at the same time, and you will keep holding to the buttons until you see the Apple logo pop up on the screen. So let's go ahead and try it out. Keep holding it until you see that Apple logo pop up. Keep holding it, let go now. Will take just about 20 or 30 seconds for it to turn back on. Alrighty. And as you can see, we have access back into the device and it is working normally. So guys, if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Any questions or comments you may have, please leave them in the comment section down below. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care until the next time.